I'm at one of my friend's house. I got a new garage door opener. It's a Chamberlain. Go ahead and show you the motor here. The builder who put it in did not do a very good job because it's a kind of a mess of wiring. And it's a 7-foot rail, but it's on an 8-foot door. Here's the front of it. It's belt drive. I'll go ahead and press your button for you. As you can see, it is right up with the bolt. Come outside, you can see just how badly it's not even open all the way. Close it. Actually, I will get the clicker real fast. Hold on. Okay, so I decided to use not the clicker, but I will use the keypad. This is the old keypad, but we made it work. For some reason, the new one did not come with a keypad. I'm not going to show you the code. And 0. You can see brand new trolley and stuff all up in there. And I will come back around. Oh, it's really dark. But I got the clicker here. There's the clicker, remote. There's the door opening. And then I'll close the door from inside. I'm going to open and close it one more time because I want to show you something pretty interesting with this. So whenever, usually with garage doors, you put your foot in the way, it'll stop it and it will blink. If I close it, and if I put my foot in the way, and it comes back up, the light does not blink. It's very interesting. It will blink if I put force on the door, but it will not blink if I put my foot in the way. So I thought that was kind of interesting. Anyways, I'll shut it and that'll be the end of it. There you go. And that's it.